I wanted to show quality professionals how they can use ChatGPT or something equivalent today. So I want to go in and create a procedure for document management for a small manufacturing business. Here's another tip. Whenever you use a document authoring tool like this, always ask, did I miss anything? The other thing that's important is it can also generate tests and quizzes. And then one last thing, if you don't have marketing graphics expertise, you can create all sorts of images to help explain. Hope you find this useful. Good luck.